Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss most important questions for TGT, PGT English Literature and other English teaching exams. So let's start question number 1. Which drama of Shakespeare was not included in the first folio 1623 by Hemmings and Condell? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Pericles. Option A will be the right answer. The first folio is the first collection edition of William Shakespeare plays, which came in 1623. It was prepared by Shakespeare's colleagues John Hemmings and Henry Condell. Next question number 2. Venus and Adonis by Shakespeare was written in stanzas of. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 6 lines. Option B will be the right answer. Venus and Adonis is a poem by Shakespeare written in 1592 to 1593 with a plot based on passages from Ovid's Metamorphoses. Each stanza contains a quatrain that rhymes ABAB followed by a couplet that rhymes CC, while Rape of Lucrece is an 7-line stanza. Next question number 3. Best work of Shakespeare was done. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1603. Option D will be the right answer. A considerable part of Shakespeare's work was done after 1603. Next question number 4. Question number 4. Where from these lines have been taken, our birth is but a sleep and a forgetting, the soul that rises with us, our life's star, hath had elsewhere its setting. Tintin Abbey, intimation of immortality to a skylark, none of these. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be intimation of immortality. Option B will be the right answer. The above mentioned lines have been taken from William Wordsworth's poem Ode Intimations of Immortality, completed in 1804 and published in Poems in 2 volumes 1807. The poem is an irregular Pindari ode in 11 stanzas that combines religious sentiments of the Bible and the work of Saint Augustine. Next question number 5. Question number 5. Type of fiction whose setting is in the medieval period, often in a gloomy castle replete with dungeons, subterranean passages, and use of ghosts and mysteries is called. picaresque novel, Gothic novel, epistolary novel, historic novel. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Gothic novel. Option B will be the right answer. The term originally referred to the Goths, Germanic tribe. The term Gothic has also been extended to denote a type of fiction which lacks the medieval setting but develops a brooding atmosphere of gloom or terror, represents events that are supernatural, frightful. Next question, question number 6. What is poetic license? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be liberties with language and facts in poetry. Option C will be the right answer. If someone such as a poet or writer uses poetic license, they break the usual rule of language or they change the facts in order to create a particular effect. Next question, question number 7. It is believed that Shakespeare was found guilty of deer poaching in the garden of. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Thomas Lucy. Option C will be the right answer. Nicholas Rowe, Shakespeare's first biographer, recounted a Stratford legend, the Shakespeare fled from the town from London to escape prosecution for deer poaching. In the estate of local squire Thomas Lucy, Shakespeare is also supposed to have taken his revenge on Lucy by composing a derogatory ballad about him. Next question, question number 8. The unbroken flow of thought and awareness in the working mind is called. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be stream of consciousness. Option A will be the right answer. The stream of consciousness, also known as interior monologue, characterizes the unbroken flow of thoughts and awareness in the working mind. In literature, this phrase denotes to the flow of these thoughts with reference to a particular character's thinking process. Next question, question number 9. Question number 9. Which one is the right chronological order of Shakespeare's major tragedies? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Hamlet, Othello, King Lear, Macbeth. So the option A will be the right answer. Correct chronological order of Shakespeare major tragedies are Hamlet 1600 to 1601 and Othello 1604 to 1605 and King Lear 1605 to 1606 and Macbeth 1605 to 1606. Next question, question number 10. Shakespeare was not of an age, but for all time was uttered by. What will be correct answer? Shakespeare was not of an age, but for all time was uttered by Ben Jonson? Option C will be the right answer. These words of praise, probably the most famous ever written about Shakespeare, were penned by Shakespeare's good friend and fellow writer Ben Jonson. The line appears in the preface to the first folio. I hope you enjoyed the learning 10 questions. Like, comment and share. Subscribe. Thank you.